Wow. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's been a long time. I'm working on the Lexus again, 2011. Let's get straight into it. I started already. I'm going to link down below a better video that walks you through. It's on a Camry, but the engine layout is roughly the same. And yeah, there's a few things. I just forgot to take a boat, but there's a few different things on the Camry, but there's not really many. But it's pretty straightforward. The video I'm gonna link below, but just watch this for pointers, I guess, after you watch the other video. Okay, so the Camry does not, I don't believe that the harness, this side of the harness connects to the alternator. I don't believe it. So you had to take out this, and you also had to take off this one that was here, and there's another one that's down below here. See if I can get a better snippet. That one right there, you can see it right there. I'm pointing at it, but you can see the cable is disconnected right there. So those are the three things that are kind of different. I also did it the same like the video mentioned, just tied this strap over here. I just now took off all the bolts all around, and if you can see here, I just took it out. There's a little gap here. So yeah, it's very simple. Take out these three. I don't believe I'll be doing the back today. That is much more difficult, and I don't think I have enough time, considering it's gonna rain in a little bit and it's late. But yeah, that's the three things that I wanted to mention. You do have to remove this. I gotta remove that soon. But yeah, that was the only really difference that I seen in the Camry versus the Lexus here. And yeah, this is not the end of the video, but also wanted to mention that this is where I put the this is where I lifted it, just to make it easy. But right there, not the smartest place to put it, but you don't have to put too much leverage on it to lift it up. So I just took it out. Engine still looks really clean after 200,000 miles. I have 210,000 miles. Looks very clean, doesn't look burnt at all. Looks very clean. But yeah, now I'm gonna clean around the edges here, and then we'll take off this gasket here. So we'll do now. We'll just take it off now. But and it's not bad, but it's leaking. It's weird. It's not like super. It's weird. But yeah. I hope it's not leaking from the bottom one. Just so you guys know, this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to go in like this. Just like this. Press it in. And then you push these down. Push these tabs down with a tool. You want it this way. You don't want to put it backwards. And also, you can knock it out from the inside here with a socket. So what I used was a 19mm, and I just put it here. I just put it in there and I knocked it out. So looking at this, you can see here that it kind of broke like this. It's supposed to look like this, but one of these broke inside here. So now I have to take this out. It's supposed to look like this, just letting you guys know. I'm gonna use a Dremel. I'm gonna use this to take it out here. I need to file this thing down. Oh my goodness, makes me frown, makes me so sad. Cause every time I do some car work, I really gotta goof around. Gotta go back around, do 360 degrees about anything. Random things always coming in. I did have to wash it a little bit, because it was too many There's way too much crumbs in here from filing this down. It does, I did bang it around a little bit, but it should be fine. And that's the best I could do it. Like, I don't want to waste too much time. Been doing that for like an hour. And I should have been done already. But look, it looks so, almost close to this. And I tried, but hey. I used this. I used razor blades. I used a carbide tip scraper. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. It should fit fine. Okay, as you can see, the carnage that has to ensue in order for me to actually fix this. I am prying and dremeling this, trying to just fix this thing, bro. This is insanity. This doesn't make any sense. Alright. There it goes. This took me like 2 hours to get, well, about an hour. I didn't really know that this was another piece. Whatever, man. I can finally be done with this though. Now I just gotta put it together. This is ridiculous. That was dumb. Don't forget to change this gasket, this one, and this one. Those are the 3 you need to change. So. So now, put here. Hopefully I don't put this backwards. There it goes. Here and here. How you know is that this side is flatter than this side. So, and that's me guessing. You know, it fits in flush. Also, this one here, don't forget. And now we put it back all together. This is gonna be fun. What also comes in the pack are these washers here. These washers are supposed to be for this here, and they give you 4 of them for the other backside. I'm not gonna do the backside today, like I said, maybe some other time. Okay, so I put the gasket on, and now I gotta transfer it over here. So yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. The other one is slightly smaller, so that's how you know that it's not the correct one. But you line it up, and it should fit in perfectly. Afterwards, you're gonna want to get a little. You're supposed to get this, and you're supposed to put it here and here. So here and here. My bad. I'm trying to look at the video and do it at the same time. So here and here. So this is how I have it now. I lined it up and made sure that they're not overlapping on over here, and they're actually seated beneath the actual hole. So yeah, now to screw all of them down. I think there's like 12 bolts or something like that. Most of them are 10 millimeters. Well, all right, so this is where I am. I put all the coil packs back, all the screws around, and I'm actually missing 2. Missing one here, I broke one, and I dropped one. Since I did break this, I'm going to use electrical tape to try to fix it. So I realized I did not finish off the video, but yeah, that's basically it. I connected that hose, and I basically used electrical tape to, you know, tape it back there because it broke. It was very brittle. So yeah, that was basically the end of the video. I thank you for watching. I will link down other videos that I use to do this. There, I still have not done the back. I do not. As long as it's not leaking, I won't change it. But yeah, there isn't really any videos doing the backside on YouTube, sadly. Yeah, but I heard it's not too hard. Just it's a little more difficult than the front. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. You have a good one.
Like and subscribe.